How many wood companies are registered in USA? However, according to the U.S. Forest Service, there are approximately 60,000 primary wood products manufacturing and secondary wood products manufacturing establishments in the United States as of 2019. This number includes a variety of wood-related businesses, including sawmills, wood preservation facilities, wood container and pallet manufacturing plants, and wood furniture manufacturers, among others. It's important to note that this number may not represent the total number of registered wood companies in the USA, as there may be additional businesses that operate outside of the wood products manufacturing industry that also work with wood.